Hi viewers, today's recipe is crunchy samosa. The ingredients required are maida, salt, oil, water, potatoes, onions, turmeric, coriander powder, garam masala, chili powder, cumin seeds and ginger garlic paste. Take a bowl and add 1.5 cup of maida, 1 tablespoon oil and half tablespoon salt. Use water required to knead it into a smooth dough. Add more oil if required. Cover the bowl with a wet cloth for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, make them into small balls. To make the stuffing, heat up a frying pan and add 1 tablespoon oil and 1 tablespoon cumin seeds. Add 1 cup chopped onions and saute well until golden brown color. Add the boiled and mashed potato to it and mix well. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon garam masala and 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Add salt as per taste. Mix all of them thoroughly. The stuffing is done, let it cool down completely. Take a rolling pin and add some flour to it. Place the dough balls and knead them into thin sheets. Take some oil and spread it over the thin sheets. Take a pan and let it heat up. Place the thin sheets and let them cook on both sides. Don't let it cook completely. To make the paste, add 2 tablespoons of maida and 2 tablespoons of water. Mix well without lumps. Take the fried sheets and cut it into two halves. Fold it as shown in the video. Use the paste to stick the corners of the sheets. Place the stuffing inside and fold it as shown. Pour some oil into a frying pan and let it heat up. Drop a piece and check if it floats up immediately. Drop the samosas and let it fry in the oil in medium flame until golden brown color. Crunchy and tasty samosas are ready. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. Drop a comment how you got this recipe. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Delicious Foods. Thanks for watching. Bye.